Hi everyone, today we'll go over a few points on properly cleaning and maintaining your Cionic Neuro sleeve. Let's get started. You'll want a clean, open space. You will need safety gloves, a lint roller, cotton pads, and a spray solution, 50% water, 50% isopropyl alcohol. Now we're ready. Start by putting on your safety gloves. Then, open up your sleeve and remove the liners. Begin removing each gel pad. You'll notice that after removing the gel pads, some excess gel will be left behind. You can use the gel pad to remove the excess gel. Continue with the same process on all 4 electrode areas. Now that we have removed as much gel as we can, we will move forward to our cleaning solution. Spray the solution on your cotton pad. Now scrub away any excess gel. You can also lightly spray the cleaning solution onto the fabric areas and the exposed electrode panels to kill bacteria and remove odors. You may notice a dark orange buildup on the metal buttons. This is caused by gel that sticks to the button, and it can reduce effectiveness. It tends to be more pronounced on the electrodes you use most, like the one on the shin. To remove it, wipe the buttons with your damp cotton pad. If the buildup is difficult to remove, dampen the button and let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe it again. We will now clean the gripper at the top of the sleeve. Grab your cotton pad and cleaning solution, then wipe down the gripper. While your sleeve dries, use a lint roller to remove any lint. Remember to let the sleeve dry completely before applying new electrodes or storing it. And just like that, your sleeve is clean and ready to go.